Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Semiconductors Weekly platform. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about the platform and how to use it. On the main page, you will see a lot of latest news, top news, news divided by some categories like web and gap, etc. So you can see top news, latest news, web and gap news, also industry events, and product and technology news. You can always access the news archive and find all the latest news divided by the months. You can choose, for example, July, and you will see all the news that were published during July. Now we're going to check the main menu of Power Semiconductors Weekly platform. So you can go to any section and check what is going on there. So you can go to blog, and in the blog section of the website you can find all the past and current issues of Power Semiconductors Weekly newscast. You can also access all these newscasts at YouTube channel. You can go further to the events, and the events you will find all the events related to Power Semiconductors, past, future, and you can see that it's easy to navigate, very nice year layout. You can also check it by the calendar, so you can go and just unfold it like this. So you can see the event details, time, location. You can click the learn more and go to more details about the event, or you can add it to your Google Calendar or iPhone calendar, etc. So you can share it with your network or just send it to your colleagues via email. At the events page, you can also check all the upcoming events in very nice way. So you can unfold it, also see the related events like with PCIM Asia. Or you can also scroll through the months. So you can choose, for example, September 2023, and you will see what events are scheduled for September. You can also check what is going on next year. So you can choose 2024, for example, June, and you will see that for June 2024, we have PCIM Europe in Nuremberg. So it's a very nice tool for you to track all the events. You can also use the search. For example, you can search for EPE, and you will see that there is EPE scheduled for September 2023. Next, you can also check the Share Your News section. So you can send me all the news related to Power Semiconductors industry to news@powersemiconductorsweekly.com, and we will publish all the news and events related to Power Semiconductors industry. I also encourage you to subscribe to monthly newsletter. In this newsletter, you will find all the latest news, market updates, some interesting semiconductor marketing cases, semiconductor books, and much more information. At the main page of the platform, you can also use the global search. For example, you can check for the OnSemi, and you will see that you will find all the news, all the information related to OnSemi. You can also go to any of the OnSemi news, scroll down and see the OnSemi tag. This tag works for everything related to OnSemi, so you just can click it and you will find that it leads you to all information similar to global search, to all information related to OnSemi, to the news where OnSemi was mentioned, and further related information. So this is Power Semiconductors Weekly platform. It will bring you all the latest news and market updates related to Power Semiconductors industry. Make good use of it to spread the word about Power Semiconductors.